Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video I'm going to answer the question, how can you convert BTC to USDT on Binance on PC? Yes, it can be done primarily through two methods. In a previous video we looked at how to do this using the convert function method. So today we're going to learn how to do this using the spot trading method. Here's a breakdown of how to do it. The first step you need to take is to open your web browser and go to the Binance website. Then log into your Binance account. Navigate to trade and then select spot. On the top navigation bar, hover over trade, select spot from the drop down menu and then select the BTC or /USDT trading pair. In the search bar, type BTC/USDT and select the pair. Then you ensure you're on the sale tab, place a sale order. You can choose between a limit order where you set the price or a market order where the order is executed at the current market price. Once you're done with this, enter the amount of BTC you want to sell, and if you're using a limit order, enter the price at which you want to sell. Then you have to click the sell BTC button to execute the trade. As simple as that. It's important to note that Binance charges trading fees, so be aware of this cost. And the cryptocurrency price is highly volatile, so the amount of USDT you receive can change quickly. Always ensure you're on the official Binance website to avoid phishing scams. Always double check all of the information before confirming a trade. I hope this helps.